Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you a-okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. How your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome to you. Those of you who are there with me from the beginning of the journey and you're still here, manners and respect. Let me first take this opportunity to big up Tammy. Tammy, I met her in Alpha Tree yesterday. Big me up. Big up yourself, Tammy. Manners and respect, YouTube style. Big up. Now today's video is going to be like, I'm trying to let it be a little fun video. I don't know how me switch up my things. I'm deal with my things. I'm not really like the boredom thing in the kitchen. So today's video is going to be a buttermilk spicy buttermilk fried chicken. But I want it to be like of a challenge line. We're going to be doing deep fryer versus Jessie. So my deep fryer is here being preheated, and Jessie's over here and she's been preheated too. I've gone ahead and I've seasoned my chicken and I've left it in the buttermilk to be there doing its thing. I'm using 2 halves of a chicken, 1 chicken, but I'm just using it in 2 halves. Right there. And you're going to say, Debbie, oh, you never show it. I take it you know how to season your chicken. Go back to my chicken sandwich and see how I did the buttermilk and the chicken. Today, though, I'm not using any egg wash. So it's going to be buttermilk. So you season your chicken, and also I will leave for you in the description what I use in case you want it, okay? So we're going to be, we want this chicken to finish with some nice crunchy look, crispy, you know them, crunchy look. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. I have here reasonable amount of flour. I'm going to be putting some turmeric in there. We want the chicken, this is to give the chicken a pretty color. We're going to be putting in some cayenne pepper, and I mark you, I did use some cayenne pepper in there too in the buttermilk mixture. We want to put a little salt. I don't know, so I don't like the whole heap of salt because I use salt to season my chicken, in the seasoning of the chicken. So we're going to go right here. So now remember, our fryers have been preheating and all of that. So I'm just going to be thoroughly mixing what I'm using. You can use your other stuff to do your flour. The whole idea of this video is to look at how the finished product from the deep fryer and the finished product from Jessie, and then you can tell me in the comments which one you prefer, which one you know what I'm saying, or whatever. And if you tell me, say, look here, if you not have no deep fryer at the end of it, if you feel like you have to have deep fryer, what do you think? Who is gonna finish first? And the look, it's like a little fried chicken challenge. What do you think about that? So this is our chicken in here in the buttermilk mixture. So I'm going to drip off the excess, and I'm going to put it right in here, and I'm going to be just flouring it right here. I'm going to be double dipping this. I'm going to be putting it back in the buttermilk, and then I'm going to come back, reflour it again. But I'm going to be doing it just as I did with the chicken in the last one. Squeeze off the excess flour, put it here. You're going to leave it for a little time. Next patient, same treatment. We've got to be moving because these are being preheated. I've been preheating them ahead of the camera, and it will take some time. That's why I did it. I don't want to be, it to be there starting preheating on. And this seems like we're going to have a really pretty color with the turmeric. And on this video, you will get an idea here. Instead of using egg powder, because sometimes you get fried chicken with those pretty colors, you're wondering, I know some people are wondering, what have they used? What can I use? You can use turmeric. More healthy than the egg powder and all of that. Pretty nice look. And turmeric not take long because it stay like curry. So look at me here. So also, you're learning something on the challenge. It's a challenge. So make we add in pan this. We're going to go now and leave these, and when we come back, we are going to double dip them whilst our fryers are still being preheated. Soon come. Okay, now family, so the first coat, we had it first thing, remember, we add it in the buttermilk mixture there soaking, and we took it and put it in the flour. So we're going to, and you wait, when you put on the first coat, you wait till you see the turmeric or whatever you use for the coloring starts coming out above the flour. So that means when you see it like this, you know say it's set. So that first coat is properly set. So we're gonna go again and we're gonna dip it in this buttermilk mixture. Remember, it's spicy, so we come at the end of it to the spicy. But remember, even though it's a challenge, so you go dip it back again. So this time when you dip it, you don't have a lot of drippings because the first set of flour is holding to it. Okay, so yeah, come back in here so now, and you want to start putting on some flour. But what you want to do, so you're learning also, you're looking at the challenge. This is what you're learning something if you have never done it before. You want to press on this last coat of flour on it. You press it on because you want that crunch. You want to get it done that way to see the result of each fryer. So you're pressing it on and you're still going to leave it again for another little time. So at this point you can make this one go on in there. We'll go and do it little thing in there whilst we press this on. You can see how Jessie can angle it, and at the end of it all, you tell me, Team Jessie, Team Deep Fryer. Which team you depend on?
Do wait and see, I'm not sure.
No, you have to depend on a team, you know. Team Jessie, Team Deep Fryer. Me depend Team Jessie. Me not dash with my girl.
Dutch pot.
You depend Dutch pot too? Yeah. Team Dutch pot, I want to know my Dutch pot name, Jessie. Okay, so what you want to do right there? Even though you squeeze it on, you wanna, you see it? You wanna go there now and leave it press on. So you know the next patient, same treatment and all of that. So look here, when you see me back next, when you see me in the next clip, this should be preheated and ready. And we are go. Team Jessie, Team Deep Fryer. I soon come. Okay family, we are back and let's begin. So trying Jessie here, and she has said the same thing. Let's try I have a thermometer here, but I don't think it's the right thermometer. I wanted to use the thermometer to check the temperature at the grease, but I don't think it was the right one. So you can see we deep fryer needs to eat a little more. Let us wait on our thermometer to eat a little more and return our deep fryer. Seriously, Debbie? And then we'll return because we want to get them both in at the same time. But soon come. Family, our deep fry is ready. Camera girl, get right in, and we're using our chicken in halves. So gently. If you're a deep fryer, be careful. If your deep fryer cannot manage a half, you do a quarter. Jessie is over here. I bring up my Jessie, and we're gonna be doing the same thing. Gently putting down our half of a chicken inside a Jessie. But the thing is, we have got to cover Jessie because the deep fryer is there covered. We have got to cover Jessie. Okay? So we're gonna be frying, and when we reach probably about halfway the process, we're gonna come back to check. You tell me what you think in the comments. Must soon come. So family, look at me here now. This is the deep fryer. You notice there is like some steam coming out of it because we have the vent then. So Jessie now, she properly covered, no steam now come out of it. So we are going to check. We have been in like about 10-12 minutes, and this is how the chicken looking Jessie. Let's see about that, camera girl. Show them out. Eh? You can see that this is almost, you know, it's nearer. It's near to fry. It's near to finish frying. But we're gonna flip, okay? But we're not gonna flip right now. We're gonna give it a little more time. Let's come and look at the deep fryer. I wanted to use the thermometer to check the temperature in Jessie. Also, because this has temperature here. Just for Jessie, she not unknown. So this is at, how much is this? Camera girl, 350. I set it for how many minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. So we wanted to use the thermometer, but next time, family, next time, I promise you, because we wanted to use the thermometer to check the temperature. Because poor Jessie, she not on the temperature. Lad man, the temperature control. So look at me here. You can see that in Jessie, look at me here. Jessie's chicken is way advanced than this. You see, my girl, it is more, it's drier, it more, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, you see it have this right here coming up, so you say up here, so don't fry as yet. So Jessie is way ahead. So let us try to get this turn, family. It's time for turning. So I think I have a little sticking. Let me go turn it off camera and come back, family. We don't want to spill and all that. Okay, Jessie, time to turn, family. You know you noticed we had to go off camera to turn in the deep fryer because it had a little stick. We are going to turn Jessie now. So we are using this and we want to be really careful. Ooh. Now look here, after me girl this, you know, she not stick. She not stick. Look at her. This is Jessie. Yeah. That's it. And you're gonna comment down below. Look at me here. Now we did this turning off camera, and this is where we had a little stick right here in the deep fryer. So may I say, family? So you notice we got the little stick, so that's why you're seeing this part of the chicken. So Jessie never stick, but in the deep fryer stick. So you need to comment. You have a comment now. You know what to say. Oh, it can go. Camera girl over. Team, you say the depan again.
The Dutch pot.
Team Dutch pot, Jessie. Team. So come when we come back, this chicken should be fried. We are going to plate them up and we are going to show you what you can eat it with as a sauce. Who doesn't like fried chicken? So okay, family, we are back and we are taking them out. The deep fryer is ready because it has a timer, so the timer went off. Okay, this is the deep fryer. Camera girl, shoot them up with the deep fryer on to my left. This is the one in the deep fryer to my left. And you squeeze, and you see you don't have no water and run out of it. I think the deep fryer finish ahead of Jessie. Let us look at Jessie, because Jessie is right here, and I like that. So Jessie look like she might need a little extra time. Okay, so let us put back Jessie on this side. That's why I wanted the thermometer to do the reading. Okay, Jessie has a little like bloody water coming there, so we have to leave Jessie probably another 2 to 3 minutes. So when she's finished, we come back. Remember, deep fryer here. So when we come back here, got Jessie to this side. So okay, now family, we are back. Remember, I told you that team deep fryer was to my left. So this is team Jessie. They are out, and we leave them on the wire rack to drain all them excess juices on the ant oil. So we're leaving them. You're still at the sea. If you want to switch, you can switch from now, you know. It's what I say. Okay? So I want your own opinion. So at this point now. So okay, family, we had to change the camera right there. So this is team deep fryer, team Jessie. So we are here, they are here, and they are being properly drained off to get the excess grease drained and all of that. So we're leaving them a little more. So when we come back now, we're gonna do a testing. Okay, I want to test. I want to take off probably either the wing or either the leg, whatever part we chose to. We're going to take off the same from both of them. Okay, and then I'll have them all plated for you, and then I'll just show you a little we want to serve it with some hot sauce. Who doesn't want fried chicken with hot sauce? And I'll show you what you can put with the hot sauce. Just the hot sauce and one other ingredient. I'll soon come back. Team deep fryer, team Jessie. Remember somebody said Jessie from the beginning. Must soon come. Okay, now Paris, we're gonna check for done this. So I wanna use my chopper. I wanna kinda get it chopped a certain way, you know. What me can get it chopped. Like in 3 or probably 4, me try 3. I don't want to go like bam down and then it go all over the place. So this is the doneness of the deep fryer. Yeah, and all like that. Okay, so let me get it right over here onto our platter. So remember, you don't want to fry your chicken then come, and you see we have it all along right there. This is the doneness of the one from the deep fryer. Make sure we put it around. I couldn't see it. So we're gonna look at the doneness of the one, and this piece seems a bit smaller, so we're gonna try to get it in 2. Okay, family, please forgive us on this video. Camera rolls today. This is Jessie. So I know you have seen the doneness by now and all of that, and both of them were in from the same time, and I can't say definitely at the same temperature because we never have the thermometer. For real, Jessie. Eh? So, look at me here now. This is what we get. We're gonna go clean up, present, get to look at presentation, look better. We'll come back, we're gonna show you what hot sauce. Soon come. Okay, we're gonna make our hot sauce. We're not fully ready for presentation yet, family. We have here some little difficulty because we have to get a thumbnail. So this is my hot sauce that I'm using, and it is all Jamaican. Somebody said the last time, said Debbie, the sauce, but this wasn't it that I used on the sandwich. What you use, you never show we good. So I'm now doing advertisements, and the video is not sponsored by it. Tomorrow I'm going to shoot them up. This is what I'm using. So I'm going to be putting some of it in there, and it's all Jamaican. And all I'm going to do to this is add like about a teaspoon. This is an original teaspoon. About a teaspoon and about like a little less than a half of lime juice into it. So this is, there you have it. Let's go. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is our buttermilk, spicy buttermilk fried chicken challenge. Deep fryer versus Jessie. Please do enjoy. Now, if you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the Jamaican Cooking Journey. When you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell. Okay? Okay, hitting the notification bell means that you will be informed when one of my videos have been uploaded. Then you will make your comments as soon as you watch the video. If you are in the first, second, or third to know, then you will be quite informed. Then you will leave your comments below, and then you will become a member of the post notification shout out crew. You see how much time Sheppy and so many people made it. That's what they do. That's how you do it. Now, our PayPal, or Cash App, Zelle, or email, or Instagram, everything is there for you. Okay? Remember to go back to watching the older videos. I keep saying that. The time is coming nearer and nearer. Okay? And I'm going to end this video now at the fried chicken in a party, because I am still in a state of thing because me not taste it yet. So I've got to taste it now. So this is the easiest part that I see. So I want to taste it now. I want to dip it in the hot sauce. Now my lime do. Okay, hot sauce. Wow. This thing is super spicy. Make sure you can add the spice. If you don't want the spice, you can leave it up, but it's good. Lime juice and that hot sauce. Debbie from down a yard, blessed. But I took piece from the deep fryer. I think I should have taken piece from Jessie. This thing is super duper spicy, family. Wow. I think Jessie did a better job. What do you think, camera girl, the look of it, the finish up? What do you think, Parry?
The look, yes.
I think Jessie do a better job. Debbie from down a yard, bless. No stress. I think I've gotten ahead of myself on this video with the fried chicken, but look here. Oh no, forgive me. Who not like such crunchy fried chicken? Hot sauce, lime juice, try it. Tell me who steam you were on. At the end of it, we see if a Jessie or a deep fryer. Yes, once more. No stress.